Let me ask you this. If you had 4 crore today, what would you buy? A luxury apartment in a high rise with the modern amenities, or villa with your own private garden and the pride of independent living? Most buyers in Bangalore dream of villas, but the big question is, which one will actually hold a value in 2030? Luxury apartment or a villa? And trust me, the answer is not what you think. In Bangalore today, the luxury real estate market is booming. On one side, developers are launching sky-high luxury apartment in Whitefield, Hebbal and CBD areas. On the other side, gated villa project in Sajapura, Devanahalli or North Bangalore are being marked as ultimate lifestyle upgrade. But you and I buy a real estate, we can't just think about today. We need to ask what happened in 2030. Which of these assets, whether apartment or villa, will appreciate more and give me quick exit and better resale value and quality of life? First, we'll talk about opportunities of apartment, and then we'll talk about villas opportunity, and then we'll talk about the challenges what comes with each one of them. Let's talk about the apartment first. The first advantage of luxury apartment is the location. Most of these projects come up in prime areas close to metro, IT hubs and social infrastructure. And because of the good location, it ensures you a strong rental demand and better capital appreciation. Second, the lifestyle. The high rises offer sky clubs, infinity pools, and concierge services. Things even villa can't match. For many buyers, it's just not about a home. It's about the lifestyle, it's about the quality of a living. Now let's talk about the opportunities. When it comes to villas, the biggest advantage is simple. That's the land belongs to you. Growing city like Bangalore and land is limited. Over a time, land value is going to appreciate much faster and better compared to apartment. Second opportunity which comes with a villa is a lifestyle. Privacy, no shared walls, no noisy neighbors above you or below you. For HNIs or NRIs, this sense of independence make villa a permanent aspiration. We talked about all the good things about high-rise apartment and the villas, but here it's get interesting. Both comes with a risk that most of the buyer cannot ignore. The biggest challenge when it comes to a luxury apartment is the oversupply. Luxury apartment often face oversupply in a specific location. Developers love building high-rise because they can sell hundreds of a unit at once. That means in resale, you are competing with 100 of similar flats near to your location. Second challenge, which is very common when it comes to high luxury side of apartment, is a smaller pool of the buyers. Third challenge when it comes to luxury apartments is the maintenance. All those world-class amenities comes at a cost. You won't believe it, sometimes it may range between 10 to 15 rupees per square feet monthly maintenance charge. And in the long run, buyer hesitate, which affect the resale value. Now, the biggest challenge when it comes to the villa is the location and connectivity. Villas are located in faraway location, Sajapura Extension, Devanahalli or Attibele. They look beautiful in a brochure, but connectivity takes years to catch up. And trust me, if infrastructure delays in the location, your villa capital appreciation will slow down. Second challenge with the villas is the liquidity. While apartment can be sold faster because of the wider demand and better location, villa attract a small niche buyers. That means when you want to sell a villa, it could take a month and sometimes years in finding a home buyer. So here is my straight answer. If your goal is capital appreciation and easier liquidity, luxury apartment in a prime location will add better value by 2030. But if your goal is long-term wealth creation and you need exclusivity, then villa will always outperform the luxury apartment because land give you better value proposition in the long term. So what will hold a value in 2030? If you ask me, both can hold a value if you choose wisely. But if I had to summarize in one line, apartment give you a better liquidity, villas give you exclusivity. Now tell me in the comment, if you had 4 crore today, Would you buy a luxury apartment or a private villa? And if you found this breakdown useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe, because here in this channel we break down the real estate the way you as an investor wants, not the way the brochure of a real estate sells to you.